The federal government has expressed commitment to break the chain of the transmission of the latest cholera outbreak in the country through community sanitation campaigns as well as other measures. The Minister of State for Environment, Mr. Adekunle Salako, made the pledge at an event to mark the 2024 National Environmental Sanitation Day in Abuja. Mr. Salako called on subnationals to put measures in place to eradicate environment-related diseases.
June 28th of every year is the National Environmental Sanitation Day in Nigeria, and officials of the Ministry of Environment are in Chika community in the Federal Capital Territory to commemorate the day. Climate change is the focus of this year's edition, and the ministry is bringing the campaign to the people to highlight the importance of a safe environment and good hygiene. Beyond educating the people, the community wants the government to support them in the efforts to maintain a healthy habitation.
This occasion reminds us of our collective responsibility to protect and preserve our planet's precious resources for the present and future generations.
According to the World Health Organization, climate change is impacting health in a myriad of ways, especially due to frequent extreme weather. The organization is calling for aggressive adoption of environmental hygiene practices to urgently curb the latest cholera outbreak in the country.
We need to go green. We stay clean. Climate change is real. It is us as individuals, as communities, as advocates to make Nigeria go green. An aggressive adoption of environmental hygiene practices and wash measures in our communities is needed more urgently so that we control the current cholera outbreak.
The cholera outbreak in the country also forms a part of the rallying call for improved environmental sanitation as the federal government pledges to break the chain of the transmission of the disease.
Let us remember that national environmental sanitation is more than a day. Sanitation and hygiene should be woven into the fabrics of our daily lives. It should be a minute-by-minute affair. I therefore call on all our subnational governments, our partners, the media, the private sector, development partners, and every Nigerian to join us together. Let us champion sanitation and hygiene practices across the country for our children, our families, our communities, and for all of us.
The highlight of the event is the presentation of sanitation tools as well as water purifiers to the community by the Minister of State, with a charge to ensure proper waste management.